Okay, Leslie Gilmer here from Be Found SEO. Really quick video on how to use Notebook LM to create a tone of voice from the content that you have already written in your website so that you can then use that tone of voice in AI to make creating new content much faster. So let's go to my website, use that as an example. We're going to go to the sitemap. Okay. I'm using a couple of small plugins here. I'll put them in the comments below. So grab it. I'm going to just change it, the setting here and add. Okay, left click and I want to copy to the clipboard. So there. And go back to the sitemaps. I'm just going to grab the pages for this one. And if I just grab these pages, and this another plugin for Chrome. I'm going to put it in the Be Found and just Control or Command V to drop in all of these URLs. So what this is going to do is pull the content from all of these pages into Notebook LM in that particular project. If you're using the free Notebook LM, you will be able to pull in 50 sources at the one time. If you're using the Pro version, which comes with Google Workspace anyway, you can pull in 300 sources at the one time. So, okay, I have to switch this off because if the JavaScript in this affects Notebook LM. Okay, so using these sources, create a detailed tone of voice. And so it's reading all of these sources and trying to decide what the tone of voice looks like from all of these sources. It's going to give me every one that it references throughout in deciding what the tone of voice is going to be. So apparently my tone of voice on my website is professional, confident, results orientated, transparent, proactive, pretty cool. So what to do then with this is just to copy it. And I always use Claude to create content. So just go into Claude and I'm going to add in some project knowledge and just put tone of voice and put this in here. So, and okay, I'm quite happy with that. I am now creating content in Claude in this project. It's going to use this tone of voice. I have no idea whether it's going to be any different to what it would sound like normally for this one, but often I am adding tone of voice and target market and personas into this as well. So, yeah, it's not a great example because usually I'm creating blog posts in here and I'll keep that for another video. Okay, but that gives you an idea on how to create a tone of voice from your current content.